Guys, this is Noah Gaming, and as you can see, right there, the spotlight shines. It is the Lego spinning wheel. No, I think that's actually a set, but no, it's not a spinning wheel. Or it's a spinning wheel for the Lego display. And, so I can kind of get it even there. Thought it was even. But right here, you can see it moves. And my hand's not in the shot, so my hand doesn't block any of the details. I have a little flashlight to show the details even more. Alright, so this is another re-review, but it's not an animated review of set 665, or 64, one of the two. I think it's 65. I'm not going to say I think, because it is 60065. Alright, I'll be right back after I put the first figure on. And as you can tell, there's the figure there. I really want to correct this hat, so just do that. Here's the figure there. And you guys can get a good look at the figures torso like that. My god, that's amazing. Sorry about the reflection, I'm just trying to see. And his pockets obviously have something in them because they're bulged. Alright, let's spin around slowly. Spin. No, my hand's actually not under it, it's under the table turning it, but it's not any way, there's no botched where you can see it or anything. Let me just adjust it right here. And there's obviously his back. See, is it handcuffs? No, it's a canteen. A canteen, and it looks to be walkie-talkie. A canteen and a walkie-talkie right there. And he has a little line across his back, of course, the little wrinkles in his jacket. And that looks to be a bulletproof vest. Look at that, that is amazing. And he has a little dip in the back of his hat. And he has blue jeans with, yep, blue jeans, well, blue pants. Tan shirt, and a darker tan hat. And just a no talk 360 view. And if you guys are wondering, yes, I did drill a hole in my table. Actually, I'll just show you real quick how this works. So the hole in there, and just use a Technic. Just put it like that, and then under the table, like right there. The brick coming through. That's how that works. Alright, let's get into the next figure. Now this one wasn't really a figure, but it was included in the set, which I think is actually kind of cool for a $5 set. I knew that was going to happen. I punched it on accident. Alright, I guess actually we don't need that. That's not part of the snake. This is just the snake. It's nothing real special. It's just one color. I mean, he has some dips and lines everywhere. Here's a little rattle right there. Focus. Can't really review the snake too much. Let's get on to the next legit figure. And here he is, he with his little evil. Can you turn, please? Oh, wrong way. Oh, 1 second. I know my hands were in that, even though I said it wasn't gonna be. Alright, there is his little evil robber's hat. Alright, there it is. There is his figure. Now he has what appears to be some shark teeth necklaces. Or shark teeth necklace. And them don't even look to be pants. It looks like to be like a potato sack or something, because look at him. It's held up by a rope. And these are actually new figures, believe it or not. And of course, with every robber comes with a sack. Well, not a sack, but like a backpack to hold the money. And he comes with two $100 bills. Let's get a 360. Alright, let's get on to the first environmental thing. So this is the first plant, well, the only plant in this. And in this, we are going to have to use our hands. But right here, there is like a little lever right there. Pull it up and you can, what it actually said to do was, be right back real quick. Alright, what it actually said to do was place the backpack on that stud right there. First stud right there on the top. Right there. Place the backpack there and it will connect on the ground. Yeah, there's nothing really to this, and it's shown like that. Now, let's get on to the final thing. Well, and I guess you could include this. This is the little catcher that he catches the snake with. Put it like that and just 360 review. I'm looking at the camera when I'm doing this, so I can't really. Alright, like that. Alright, I will see you guys in a second. Alright, here is the ATV that comes with it. Take a look at that real quick. So there's a lot of details in that. Oh, look at the steering wheel right here, and it says police right there. That's a printed piece. That's impressive. They haven't done a lot of police stickered printed pieces like that. See, and then the lights. Vroom, 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 vroom. God, that was blinding. Sorry, guys. Let's see if it can focus. Alright, well, let's get the 360 view. And by the way, them obviously are the red and blue lights. It comes with the handcuffs and the picker goes right there. Oh, hello. Sorry. What the hell? Something just popped up on there. It said AF. Sorry, guys. This is blurry. I'm sorry. And is isn't really the best view because it's so close. Maybe I can drill another hole. I'll fix it later. Alright, actually, and these do come up if you want to ever lift them up for some reason. Alright, and that's actually it. Tell me what you guys think of the new spinny review wheel. And this is the entire set right there. For $5, that's a lot of pieces, but it doesn't look like a lot of pieces because it really isn't. It's 59 pieces, and you figure that's about a cent, maybe less than a cent per piece. If you count the figure value, that's about 3 cents. But yeah, this is the spinny wheel of death. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, tell me what you guys think of this. See you guys later.